Tomatoes. We grow them. We cook with them. We eat them. But did you know that most people used to fear them? The tomato originates from the Andes regions of South America, where wild varieties still grow to this day. The indigenous people of Mexico began cultivating tomato around 500 BC. From there, we fast forward to the early 16th century, where Spanish conquistadors started bringing the tomatoes back over to Europe. Now, being part of the nightshade family, tomatoes weren't initially well received in Europe. And initially, they were only cultivated as ornamental plants. And what only exacerbated the situation was the use of pewter plates. See, the acidity in tomatoes would leach lead from the plates, causing lead poisoning. See, it really wasn't until about the 18th century that Europe started considering the tomatoes a food source. And that was really brought on by the strength of Mediterranean countries like Spain and Italy. Now, what I particularly find interesting is that despite its origins in the Americas, tomatoes still weren't widely consumed in North America until about the mid-19th century. And that's mainly due to the immigration of Mediterranean countries like Spain and Italy. Then, during the Industrial Revolution and the creation of the canning process, made it so that tomatoes could be enjoyed year-round. Canned tomatoes were served to the Union and Confederate troops as a ration during the Civil War. And now, to this day, tomatoes are one of the most widely consumed fruit in the entire world. Alrighty, folks, there we have it. Tomatoes was once feared as opposed to being revered. But now when you're out there growing those tomatoes, you know a little bit about its history. All right, and it's been fun chatting with you as always. Make sure you have a good rest of your day, and I'll talk to you later.